Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change colors of your headset in SteelSeries engine. So basically how you can change colors of your headphones in SteelSeries engine. So what you'll need to do is get SteelSeries GG, and when you plug your headphones you'll see in the engine menu right here I have Arctic Nova 3, so I'll click on that one, and right here I will be able to change colors of that. So basically if you go to illumination right here you'll see the effect. It can be single color, brief, or color shift. Right here you can select some patterns from rainbow, heat, orange, frost blue, and right here you can select the speed. And if you want to edit more settings like in depth, so what you'll need to do is basically go to the prism, and right here you can change a lot of settings of the colors. So let's change to reflect or just single color, and basically you will be able to change those colors right here. Also there's a lot of presets, and basically that's how you can change that. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.